The 2026 Lexus LC 500 arrives as one of the most captivating Grand Tourers on the market, blending artful design, refined luxury, and exhilarating performance into a single package that continues to embody the pinnacle of Lexus craftsmanship. Since its debut, the LC 500 has been celebrated for its breathtaking styling and engaging driving dynamics, and for 2026, it evolves even further to remain a standout choice among luxury coupes. Designed to appeal to those who value both aesthetics and performance, the LC 500 demonstrates Lexus's commitment to creating a vehicle that is as thrilling to drive as it is to admire. At first glance, the exterior styling is nothing short of spectacular. The 2026 LC 500 retains its distinctive low-slung, athletic silhouette while refining key elements to make the car appear sharper and more modern. The signature spindle grille, a hallmark of Lexus design, is subtly reworked to look cleaner and more integrated into the bodywork, while slimmer LED headlights with advanced triple-beam technology give the coupe an even more aggressive presence on the road. Sculpted body lines flow seamlessly across the muscular fenders, creating a sense of motion even when the car is at a standstill. At the rear, redesigned taillights with intricate LED patterns provide a futuristic flair, while the wide stance reinforces the LC's sporty character. New wheel designs and fresh color options further enhance customization, ensuring the car feels both exclusive and timeless. The cabin of the 2026 LC 500 is equally impressive, offering a perfect balance of driver-focused ergonomics and luxurious comfort. Every detail inside reflects Lexus's dedication to Takumi craftsmanship, with meticulously hand-stitched leather, Alcantara accents, and carefully chosen trim finishes. The cockpit design is intuitive, wrapping around the driver with easy-to-reach controls and a seating position that emphasizes performance driving. For 2026, Lexus has updated the technology suite to include the brand's latest infotainment system, featuring a larger high-resolution touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, improved voice recognition, and over-the-air updates. The digital instrument cluster provides customizable displays that highlight performance data or luxury-focused information depending on the driving mode selected. Comfort has also been enhanced with upgraded climate control, improved seat bolstering, and advanced noise cancellation that allows occupants to enjoy a serene driving experience when desired. Performance remains a cornerstone of the LC 500's identity. Under the hood, the 2026 model continues to offer the exhilarating 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine, producing over 470 horsepower and paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This powertrain delivers not only impressive acceleration but also a spine-tingling exhaust note that adds to the emotional connection between driver and machine. The car can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4.5 seconds, making it as capable as it is stylish. Engineers have fine-tuned the suspension and chassis for improved ride quality without sacrificing the sharp handling that has made the LC 500 a driver's car. Adaptive variable suspension, rear-wheel drive, and available performance packages ensure that the car feels planted and responsive, whether cruising along the highway or carving through twisty backroads. For those seeking efficiency without sacrificing luxury, Lexus continues to offer the LC 500h hybrid variant, pairing a V6 engine with electric motors for a blend of performance and improved fuel economy. This model appeals to drivers who want a more eco-conscious grand touring experience while still enjoying the striking design and craftsmanship of the LC. Safety and driver assistance technologies have also been updated for 2026, with the Lexus Safety System Plus suite providing features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and enhanced automatic emergency braking. These additions ensure peace of mind during long journeys while complementing the grand touring ethos of the car. Overall, the 2026 Lexus LC 500 stands as a symbol of Lexus's ability to merge artistry with engineering. It is not just a luxury coupe but an emotional statement on wheels, designed to turn heads, thrill drivers, and provide a driving experience that is both refined and unforgettable. With its stunning design, luxurious interior, exhilarating V8 power, and cutting-edge technology, the LC 500 continues to occupy a rarefied space in the automotive world, appealing to those who desire a car that goes beyond mere transportation to become a true expression of passion and craftsmanship.